Alright. Anybody want to help me on this one?
Okay. Well,
this is
background music.
Alright. Here we go. This is kind of interesting. Alright, well, we got some stuff here. Anybody want to take control?
Okay, like right here, see this? Here's a suicide line, and the penalty for it, for cutting, is death. Like this guy, see, he just gave a little. See that hand down there? He just gave a little cutting penalty, and like there's a few more suicide lines. Like here's a little one, and there's the constipated guy. I don't think you can see him because it's too dark, but he's constipated. Here's another little suicide line. Here's another little one. Everybody thinks he's a wimp because he's gonna live. Oh, I forgot to tell you what this place is. It is MHQ, McDonald's headquarters, and
that's why all these guys are sacrificing this house because they're gonna die either way.
Yeah, since they ate some McDonald's.
Constipated guy.
Yeah, I shot him. Okay, and I'm gonna show you the reason it all went down. Here he is. He fell down. This guy.
Another constipated guy.
This guy here, I don't think you can see him. This is him. He's the reason he was working on some architectural stuff, and like right here, and it's.
He tripped over a little meter of wood.
Yeah, and it broke. And so
don't forget Action TV.
Oh yeah, we gotta show you the TV crew. I need to just move this chair first.
With Katie Couric.
Yeah, here's Action News TV.
With Katie Couric.
Right there with Katie Couric, the headless one. If you look hard, I'll turn her. There's Katie Couric at Action TV. Okay.
Show the thrill-seeking lamb.
Oh yeah, this is where they store their lamb or cow, deformed cows. Up there, see the little white stuff? Wait, Michael, give me a chair so I can get up there. So, quickly. Okay, here's the lamb that are on top of the world, that are being on top of the world to.
So if they try to escape,
if they try to escape their hamburgers, you want to see the drop? It's all the way down here. From up, and it's taller than me.
Don't forget the house down here.
Oh yeah, Mr. Okay, move
Mr. and Mrs. Smith.
Yeah, it's Mr. and Mrs. Smith. Here's
Mr. and Mrs. Sacrifice.
Yeah, Mr. and Mrs. Sacrifice. Here's Mr. Sacrifice. Here's Mrs. Sacrifice.
You don't have to take the one bread anymore.
Nope, and here's the policeman, their personal policeman guy there, and here's just a few of the guys.
That's their child.
Yeah, that's their child.
And they should adopt it.
Yeah, okay, and
show them the office space. That's office space.
yeah, this is, this here?
Yeah.
This is the office space, if you can see it. It's kind of small, and the higher you get, the less rich you are. And the king's up there, he taxes so much he's not rich. And see, this guy, since it's with
He's had a bad hair day.
with this big, bad hair day, we're hoping by the end of this fall, he's going to have a buzz cut. From,
Are we just gonna go get this?
Yeah, we are.
Alright, let's just go ahead and go. I think we got everything.
okay, wait, let me put him, Michael, put him up. Whatever, Michael. Okay. Okay, this is the Wendy's Hamburgers launching an assault.
We gotta.
Okay, you film.
Alright.
It's gonna be loud, so yeah, it's Wendy's.
Cover your ears.
It's Wendy's tar.
Ready? Ready? Wait, 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 wait.
Wendy's Giants.
Oh, we need the theme music.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah, theme music. Here, I'll do this. Don't go yet. Don't go.
Okay.
Dude, we're already in 4 minutes.
It's very. What happened? Where's Katie Couric? Here's the news truck. Right here. It's alive. The This sub went terribly wrong with this guy. He doesn't have a buzz. He still has bad hair. Yeah. Oh. Let's see. Any survivors? No. Everybody's dead so far.
I'm gonna watch it. All right, let's stop.
Okay, there goes MHQ.